Hi guys, we're going to be doing Guess the Fidget today. Right, let's get into it. Okay, you guys should be able to guess this. If you don't get this correct, I don't know, but yeah. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. That's what I'm going to give you, and I'll quickly show you what it is. That is a fidget. It is a fidget. It's a puppet actually, but yep. On to our next fidget. Okay, I've got one. Okay, now you guys are kind of have to guess this one. It's quite a hard one. And this is what it is. One of these. Yep. I don't know what they're called. So, yeah. Oh, this one, guys, you're never ever gonna guess. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. If you got this correct, you're insane. It's one of these, like, match the colour. It's like an easy version of a Rubik's Cube. Easy. I'm not gonna do that. So, okay, go on. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hold on. That does not make any noise. I'm quickly going to do the other one. This other. Did you guess it right? It's one of these. Okay. Now, I'm probably gonna do one of this. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. And if you got this right, that's nice. It is called an infinity cube. It gets like yeah. I think you get the gist. What else? What about one of these? Okay. Guess this. You're probably not gonna guess this. If you get this right, like you are like have some really good knowledge about fidgets, honestly. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. It's a tangle. Yep. Tangle. And next we will be doing one of these, yeah. I'll have to stretch it to make that noise. If I got this right, it's a monkey new door. Okay, next. Okay. What about this? Okay, this makes a similar noise. It's a mochi. Next, moving on. What about this? After yeah. It's a good fidget though. I do recommend this for people like fiddling with their fingers. It's one of these. So you roll it up. So sometimes you can roll it up your finger and then you flick it off and then it goes ping. And then it goes everywhere. This is gonna be one of my last ones. This is like a puppet. Just giving you a clue there. Okay, ready? It's one of these. It's one of the little bendy ones, like proper simple dimple. Yep. What about this? Listen to this. Okay, and it's a bicycle chain or something. It's a bike chain or something. I don't know. Next. Okay, look, this is my last one, guys. Yeah, probably not gonna guess this. If you guess this, like this is the hardest one to guess by far. Small monkey needle. Small. Alright, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.